treat, trick or treat, give me something good to eat, trick or treat, candy chocolate, bubble gum, all that gummy shaped like bats, pumpkins, and cats. We got our masks on, knocking dough to get our stack on. Yeah, it's that time, it's time to roll and have a good time. Fresh and scary in my costume, cooler than a monster, fresh out of the...
What's up, everyone? This is Blue with SDGT, and today, time for another unboxing. Well, in this case, an unbagging. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Let's open up this package. I just say I hope that everyone's having a wonderful day so far. And hopefully it's one where you're fully energized and well aware of how beautiful it is. You'll be able to enjoy it even that much more. Shout out to the Ajazz team. I appreciate the box art. And shout out to the Ajazz team for giving artists some love. This is Ajazz and the Code X. I'm guessing the artist is the Code X. As you see, this is the Ajazz AKP153 desktop studio controller. Some of you may be wondering what a desktop studio controller is. And on that note, stay tuned for the full review. Let me just double check here. Yep, that's all that's in the box. And so right now it may not look like much, but once this turns on, you will get a full understanding by way of the review. Basically what this is a controller that gives you access to be able to quickly access different programs on your computer with just a press of a button. Different actions while you're working on video editing or live streaming, or whatever you're going to be doing in the office. So it's good for not only gamers, but also, which they definitely aim to make a positive impact on gamers at a affordable price, because there are definitely desktop controllers out there that push the price tag up, quite a bit. So this company is definitely being competitive. But in addition to gamers live streaming, it's also a product that's great for artists who use various applications, as well as those who do video editing, audio, those of you who might be, working in the office or working from home and need to quickly go between different programs. This is something that will definitely make a positive impact, especially those of you who work in IT and you have to open up the various programs before you get the day started as far as working from home. Like, trust me, I know, because you have to open up several programs and you have to log into those programs in order to get the day started at various companies, just based on past experience. So this will be perfect. You go in, start opening those things up, versus going through your start menu and just, whatever you need to do. It will be as quick as the press of a button. So definitely stay tuned for the full review. And so this is the Ajazz AKP153 desktop studio controller. And for more game news, product reviews, and unboxings such as this, check us out at the link below. This has been Blue with SDGT. Until next time, game on.